Hi guys, today we're looking at speed and velocity. Before we get into speed and velocity, to understand the difference between them, we need to know the difference between a scalar and a vector. Now, when I'm saying vector, I don't mean this guy, okay, not Vector from Despicable Me, alright? We're talking about vectors in terms of physics. Scalars have a size or a magnitude about them. Some examples we have are volume and mass. These are just quantities. Now, vectors, they have a size or a magnitude, but they have something additional. There's two bits of information. They also have direction, and direction is very important because if you change the direction, you're changing the vector, so it's a different vector. Speed is an example of a scalar quantity, and velocity is an example of a vector quantity. Now let's look at what we mean by speed and how we go about measuring it. When we say something is travelling fast, we know this because it's moving a certain distance in a short period of time. So we can say speed is the rate at which distance travelled changes. Mathematically, we can put that as speed equals distance over time, with distance measured in meters and time measured in seconds. This means that speed has the unit meters per second, and this is the SI unit, so this is the unit we use. Right, let's move on to velocity. Now, velocity is very similar, but instead it is displacement divided by time. Displacement is still measured in meters, so velocity is still meters per second. When we look at displacement compared to distance, this is a path travelled, and this is the distance in which someone would have gone. Whereas now in red, you can see our displacement. It is direct from start to finish, sort of as the crow flies. So someone that is running a 400-meter track, they may have run a distance of 400 meters as they go round, as you see the blue line, but their overall displacement is actually 0 meters. So our difference between speed and velocity is speed is how fast you're travelling, whereas velocity is how fast you're travelling in a particular direction.